Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will guide you to enter recovery mode for your Samsung Galaxy A14 phone. This child is forgetting the screen password. And now I will press the volume key and power key. Hold these two keys to turn the device off. When the device starts to turn off, you will switch to holding down the volume up key and the power key. After the device displays the word Samsung, release the power key and keep the volume up key. Yes, depending on the device it will be fast or slow. After it displays the Galaxy logo, we will release them all. Like this, I will let go and let it enter recovery mode. Okay, it's in, and now we will use the volume up and down keys to select this mode. Now I will select factory reset mode and press the power key to select. When it clears the data, we will choose again to clear the cache. OK, yes, and select again. Then we will select this mode as reboot to reboot the device. And the device will restart automatically. This device has forgotten the screen password. That's why we will have to enter this recovery mode. To run the software again, reset the device, and wipe the device back to its original mode. OK. The device has finished rebooting and entered the mode to activate the device. Here we will choose the language and address. And then turn on the device as usual. Re-KCAC ban. OK guys, in this video, I have shown you detailed instructions on how to enter recovery mode. And if you find the video useful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel to support me. Hello and goodbye everyone. See you in the next video.